How to use Hootsuite for your social media management. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Hootsuite for your social media managing, scheduling your posts, and more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply come to this platform right here, hootsuite.com. Hootsuite is a social media manager that allows you to schedule your posts, and then you can do automation, create quality content, manage your followers, collaborate with your customers, and more. We get all of the basic features and tools in Hootsuite that a content creator look for. In order to get started with Hootsuite, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and sign up for Hootsuite, select your plan, and get started. So before we get into the features and tools of Hootsuite, let me actually show you the pricing plan, and then you will have an idea about the affordability of the platform. So the platform is not free. We get the pricing plans right here, and you will be able to find all of the features. The first plan is a professional plan, which is going to be $49 per month. You can, of course, get a free trial for, all of the different plans. So in this, we are getting one user and 10 social media accounts. So you can actually add your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, like 10 social media account. And then you can schedule unlimited posts with this plan right here. Then we have a team plan, which is going to be $129 per month. And the core features are that three users are available, 20 social media accounts. And then additional features include schedule multiple posts at a time, manage a team, assign posts and comments to a team member. Then we have a business plan, which is going to be $739 per month. It is 5 users, 35 social media accounts, and then we have schedule unlimited posts. If we talk about the additional features, then you will be getting review messages before they publish and extend functionality with premium apps. You will also get a 24/7 customer support. And then we have an enterprise that is going to be custom features for custom planning, but it comes with a lot of features such as social advertising, promotions, custom solutions, and more. So you can simply select any of the plan and get started with Hootsuite. Let's say that you want to go with this plan right here. So you will simply click right here and Hootsuite will allow you to sign up. The signing up process is really easy. You simply enter your full name, then you enter your email address, a password, and click on create my account. And after that, you will have to add your billing information in order to get a Hootsuite plan. Use cases. When it comes to the use cases for Hootsuite, you can use Hootsuite for a social media expert or a freelancer. Then it is also used by teams in order to collaborate effectively, track assignments, and measure impact. Then you can also use it for a medium large team for your business online. And you can simply go ahead and enhance your business with all of the features that are available. Now let's check out the different features we're getting in Hootsuite. So the first feature here that you will be getting in Hootsuite is going to be creating and scheduling your post. What you can do is you can craft new posts and schedule to multiple social media networks at the same time using the publishing feature. So if you are like an influencer and you want to add a post to your Facebook and at the same time you want to add that post to your Pinterest and Instagram, then you can simply go ahead and schedule a post right here with the publishing feature. Then you have manage all your channels. When it comes to managing different social media with Hootsuite, you will be getting all of the social media platforms and you will be able to monitor your posts and messages. So if it's LinkedIn, if it's Pinterest, Facebook, you can kind of like manage any kind of social media. Then you can also create professional campaigns with Hootsuite. So you don't need any campaign creating software if you're using Hootsuite. You can simply schedule content, collaborate, and create more effective campaigns and get results with your Hootsuite. We also get an inbox option where you will be able to access all of the messages from your different social media, from your teammates, and you will be able to boost positive reactions, share messages with your teammates with a single click. And of course, we're getting the analyze option where you will be able to see all of your analytics and stats, how your social media is doing, what's the turnout, what's happening, how many tweets you have done, what's the impact on the audience. You will be able to find everything. Basic tools. So if we talk about the tools that we're getting in Hootsuite, so we will get an amplify tool. So this is for our boost your social media. So what you can do is you can actually amplify your post with this option right here. Then we have insights that allow us to check all the trends, to get an insight to our business, to our social media, and how we are doing. And then we have impact, prove the real business ROI of social media. And then we have ads where you will be able to optimize your advertising budget by managing your social media. That's how it simply works on Hootsuite. It's a pretty good platform with all of the features that you get, like publishing, engaging, monitoring, advertising, analyzing, all of them. And if we talk about the networks, then we get Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, live chat, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, and many others. Another good thing about Hootsuite is that we get integrations. So you can not only integrate your, social media, but we can also use other tools with our Hootsuite, like our integration, such as Trello and Slack, Gmail, review trackers. We can actually add any of the other integrations. If I take you to integration option, then I will be able to give you a better idea. All right, so this is actually a Hootsuite apps, and in here you will be able to find all of the featured apps, and you can simply integrate these apps to your Hootsuite. So you can integrate your Google Business, Microsoft Dynamics, then you can actually add Adobe apps like Adobe Stock and Airtable for Hootsuite. Then there are essential apps such as Canva. What you can do is you can create a social media post in Canva, and then you can add it to your social media through your Hootsuite. You don't need to go to any other platform. You don't need to open each platform one by one and post. You can just simply create a post, and then with your integration available, you will be able to manage it with just one platform. Then we have Trello, we have our HubSpot, we can also get our WooCommerces for our businesses. So this is actually pretty good that we're getting our own all of the different integrations that we can add. You can also search by category and apps in order to add all of the integrations to your Hootsuite to customize your Hootsuite experience, get more productive and organized. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything about Hootsuite. You have an idea that how to use Hootsuite, what are the different features and tools you will be getting, how to sign up and buy a plan right now. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.